Hello guys, it's Ishan and welcome back to another fresh new video. I know it has been so long since I have uploaded any video, but I had my exams so I couldn't upload videos. But from now on, I'll be uploading videos regularly.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. I wanna rise up. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. Water is rising. It's coming in. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. It's coming. Water is rising.
That's it for today. I hope this video helped you. Stay connected and you'll get these kinds of videos. Happy drawing and see you in the next one.